Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line stained glass nativity. I'm going to go in with kudzu, limeade, mint julep, and evergreen for my Joseph. And then on my Mary, I'm going to use peony, barn red, and plum crazy. Now I'm going in with Bunker Hill Blue. I'm going to go in with Lucky Lavender for Baby Jesus' blanket. Going in with putty for all of my faces. Chocolate for my manger. I use cobalt blue, ocean, and now this is sea glass. And then the edges of my sign, I will use pine cone and putty. Now I'm just going to let everything dry completely. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything. And I also wrote, "Oh Holy Night" on the top piece of stained glass. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with number 4 round in the color cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything here and there. Once I'm done highlighting, I'm going to flip that brush around and use the end of it to do some little stars all around on the blue parts of my sign as like a starry night look. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.